Hi guys, today we are doing a FABFITFUN unboxing for spring season. You see the fun design with cakes, and let's open this up. Alright, we have some offers including HelloFresh, the standard. Alright, so this also includes a couple of items that I purchase on a regular basis, including the Nelson Beverly Hills shampoo and conditioner set and the body wash. That's one of my favorite body washes. It's Chorus Renewing Body Cleanser. I'm an annual member, so I get to choose certain things. Usually the app gives me 4 or 5 choices. So they give me 4 or 5 different products per category, and then I pick what I want out of the category, and usually they're able to do that unless it's already been sold out. So what I picked was a bike phone Caddy. All right, so it has this Velcro to attach it to the bike. Here is the picture of how that would be attached. This is the Velcro and this is the design. It's very pretty, it's very spring. I love the mint and white color combination. So it looks like the phone goes over here, and then there is a zipper compartment behind it where there is just enough space for your necessities. And what is good is there is a zippered compartment for your keys, money, things like that. So excited to try this out. Next we have a wrap towel, which I think is another thing that I purchased myself. It's just a pink hair towel. I like these things to wrap my hair after I wash it. Okay, here is the picture of how you would use it, and these are great for after I wash my hair. I wrap it in a towel for 5 to 10 minutes, and then when I take it off, it kind of absorbs majority of the moisture. So these are great. Okay, next we have another thing I think I just bought for myself. This is sponge gel body wash infused buffers. I really like these things. Basically, they have a body wash already inside the buffers, so you don't have to use body wash on top of it. You just wet it and then it's ready to use. It looks like 45 plus uses, 15 uses for each buffer, but honestly I think it's more than that. It's also great to travel with for when you're doing carry-on. You cannot bring a lot of liquids. I always struggle with the liquids on carry-on, so this is great because this is technically not a liquid, it's just a buffer. It's just a hard buffer until you wet it. So this is great for traveling without having to bring body wash or buy it there. Okay, next, this is the item I picked. Okay, so we have the Apple Watch accessory from Coach. It is this beautiful gray blue, and it has the Coach logo on it, and I got it personally to gift it to my mother because we got her an Apple Watch a couple of years ago, so I think it'll be fun for her to change it up. Okay, next we have a scalp serum for hair density. That's a cool product. Definitely haven't used it before. Looking forward to seeing the results from this. Next we have regenerative neck cream with seaweed amino acids and copper peptides from Azure. This is what the box looks like. And this is the packaging. It's this very, very light blue color cream. It smells slightly medicinal, and I have not used a neck specific cream before. I usually just use my face cream and I just kind of extend it to my neck and chest area, but excited to see what this one does to my neck. And next we have Vince Camuto accessories. Must have been something I've also picked out for this spring box, but I do not remember it. Oh, I remember it now. All right, so this is a beautiful necklace that is dark blue to white. This is what it looks like. It's very pretty, and I can definitely see myself wearing it a lot this coming spring. I love necklaces in general lately. I love layering them, and I love just accessorizing a lot this year. All right, so next we have Ren Clean Skincare Brightening Dark Circle Eye Cream. So, and here's what the actual bottle looks like. So it says Brightening Dark Circle Eye Cream. This is a must. I have under eye circles, so anything that promises to make them go away is a win in my book. All right, I think we're almost done with the box. Yes, the only thing remaining is another thing that I've chosen, and this is a piece of clothing. It says French Terry Lounge set, 1 top plus 1 pair of shorts. All right, looks like it's beige. It's funny to me that I don't remember any of these things at all. But that's kind of what I like about FABFITFUN. It's kind of like a present to myself. I pick it, forget about it, and then when I receive it, it's like a surprise, because honestly, I don't remember what I ordered a few weeks before. Okay, so we have a pair of shorts to lounge in, and the size is small, medium. And then we have a matching top, also beige, also small, medium. And this is actually very nice. I don't think I own a lounge set. I know during the pandemic these were all the rage and people wanted to have elevated, stylish homeware, but I guess I never splurged on a set, because it seems like if I want to buy something, I want it to be seen by as many people as possible in all areas of my life, and not just, you know, at home. But I do like the idea of kind of treating yourself, and home being a place where you can also be stylish and put together. So this is kind of nice. I'm actually looking forward to wearing it at home and seeing if it makes me feel any different. So that is it for the box for spring. I also have this package from LAX Gadgets, which I think is something I ordered from them on my own. So let's open that. Yes, this is what I got from their edit sale. So I think if you are an annual member, you get access to their edit sales, which happen from time to time before the boxes come in. Every season you get to go and shop on that sale, and I like to check it out for trying out things I haven't before. So very practical purchases this time. We have a wall charger and LED light. So we have the chargers and the USB chargers. This is gonna be useful. I always don't have enough space, don't have enough of these inputs, so definitely going to use this. Next we have mini rapid charge power bank. So this is external power bank. I always have these, I always carry these around because my battery and my phone runs out quickly. And I think my old ones are broken now. So it looks like this one is going to be pretty light to carry. The box is very shiny, so here's what it looks like. It's a beautiful soft pink external charger, so definitely going to unpack this and start using right away. And finally we have an adjustable car mount for dash and windshield. Another practical, not super exciting purchase, but something that I definitely need because my current one is broken beyond belief and I'm still trying to use it. So again, I'm going to open this up immediately. So that is all that I have for the FABFITFUN unboxing for spring 2023. Thanks for being here with me and seeing what I ordered, and I'm excited to get to use all these things. I feel like over the years the amount of items in the box decreased because a few of these things I purchased myself, the few things that I mentioned in the beginning. So the rest of the things in the box are just a few items, but those items are good quality and each item seems to be more expensive. So I guess we'll see what the summer box has in store, and I'm just trying to see if FABFITFUN is trying to kind of downsize a little bit in terms of how much value they bring in the box, or it's just a matter of them having fewer more expensive items in each box. So I guess we'll see, time will tell. But I still love FABFITFUN. I'm still a fan, and I still think it's worth the yearly price to get the things that I get and to get the access to the sale. So yeah, thank you, and see you next time. Bye.